A very good morning, dear student. My dear student, as you know that at present, sources of business finance chapter is going on in business studies class 11. This is chapter number 7. My dear student, today we will learn sources of finance in the basis of ownership. My dear student, there are the only two sources of finance. अगर फाइनेंस करना चाहते हैं, पैसा कलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो वी हैव ओनली टू सोर्सेज. नंबर वन इज अ ऑनर फंड, नंबर सेकंड इज अ बोरोड फंड. ऑनर फंड, if you want to invest the capital in the business, so definitely first of all owner will invest. लेकिन जब ऑनर के पास खत्म हो जाएगा, then after it, then he can take the borrow from bank and from other financial institution. He can take the loans. So this is the borrowed fund. So definitely finance is a very important in the organization, in the business. Without finance, no business can run. So it means finance is important, but there are the two sources of finance: owner fund, मालिक का पैसा, and borrowed fund, उधार पैसा. My dear student, now we will come. Number first, we will study the honor fund. It is written, honor fund refer to the fund contributed by honor as well as the accumulated profit of the company. My dear student, clearly they are saying that honor fund refer to the contributed by the honor. Honor ने पैसा लगाया, मालिक ने पैसा लगाया, as well as the accumulated profit of the company. My dear student, there's a very important word, accumulated profit. Accumulated profit means वो प्रॉफिट जो आपने अर्न करा है बिजनेस में और वो बिजनेस के अंदर है और कई साल से वो इकट्ठा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड accumulated profit. My dear student, now we will come on the main features of honor fund. These are the main features of honor fund. Number one feature is source of permanent capital. Definitely, my dear student, this is a source of permanent capital because if honor invest money in the business, तो जब बिजनेस खत्म होगा तभी वो बिजनेस से पैसा बाहर निकालेगा. तो दिस इज सोर्स ऑफ परमानेंट कैपिटल. यहाँ पर आपको कहीं पर भी पैसा वापस किसी को नहीं करना है. ये ऑनर का पैसा है, बिजनेस में लगा हुआ है, बिजनेस मैन को ही निकालना है बिजनेस जब बंद होगा. तो दिस इज अ सोर्स ऑफ परमानेंट कैपिटल. सेकेंड इज अ प्रोविजन ऑफ रिस्क कैपिटल. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ ऑनर फंड. प्रोविजन ऑफ रिस्क कैपिटल, इट्स मीन्स यहाँ पर रिस्क नहीं है. देयर इज नो रिस्क इफ यू आर डूइंग द ऑनर फंड, इफ honor is investing something, because if honors has invested money, if honor has invested capital in the business, then definitely if business incurred loss, so this is not the liability of a business that the business has to pay some money to the businessman. This is not the liability of a business. But if we take the loan from bank or borrowed from bank and from other financial institution, then definitely if we are generating profit or we are generating loss, if we are incurring loss, doesn't matter, this is a legal liability that we have to pay the interest if we take the loan, if we take the borrowed fund. But in the honor fund, this is not the risky capital. Then we will say provision of risk capital. ये risk capital का provision है. It means there is no risk. Next is a no security required. No security required. Yes, my dear student. If honor is investing something into the business, then honor को बिल्कुल भी requirement नहीं है कि वो कोई भी assets mortgage करे. तो no security requirement if we are doing the honor fund. Then next is the sources of honor fund. यहाँ लिखते हैं the honor fund companies of shares capital, retained earning, accumulated profit. अगर हम sources की बात करें तो this is a basic main, there are the two sources. Share capital. Share capital, this is a capital. But my dear student, if we are doing the sole proprietorship, then you will say the capital. If you are doing the partnership, then definitely you will say the capital. But in the company's point of view, you have to say the share capital. Share capital is a complete word. But share capital is a honor fund. Then retained earning. Retained earning means वो profit जो कि business ने earn करा है. And this is the honors fund. बिकॉज ये पैसा भी कैपिटल में ही ऐड होता जाके. If you know very well about the accountancy, so in accountancy you know very well about it that net profit added in the capital. Now my dear student, now we will come on the borrowed fund. Borrowed fund refer to the borrowing of the firm. अगर firm borrowing कर रही है, it includes fund available by way of loan or credit. So this is not a difficult word. Borrowed fund, it means if you are taking loan from bank or if you are taking loan from financial institution for business, so we can say this is a borrowed fund. This is not the owner fund. But these are the two main sources. If you want to start the business, definitely you require the capital. And if you want capital, तो capital को जुटाने के केवल आपके पास दो सोर्स हैं. Number one is the honor fund, number second is the borrowed fund. Now we will come on the features of borrowed fund. There are the features of borrowed fund capital. Number first feature is a fixed time. My dear student, if you are taking loan from bank and if you are taking loan from other financial institution, then definitely this is a fixed liability. This is a fixed liability. This is not fixed liability. This is a fixed time period that one time period that after this time period you have to pay back. My dear student, if you come here, then you can check here that you can raise the loan from bank or from financial institution, short term, medium term. My dear student, this is a medium term and this is a long term. There are the three category. आप पैसा ले सकते हैं, उधार ले सकते हैं, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए, मीडियम टर्म के लिए, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, शॉर्ट टर्म मीन्स within 1 year. If you are taking loan from bank or from financial institution, then definitely within 1 year you have to pay back. So this is short term. But my dear student, if you are taking loan from bank and you are saying that after 1 year and before 5 years you will pay, then this is we will say this is medium term. But if you are saying that I am taking loan from bank and after 5 years I will pay, so we will say then this is a long term condition. My dear student, now we will come on the second. Second is a security. Security is a very important features in borrowed fund, because if you are taking loan from bank or from financial institution, then definitely you have to mortgage some assets. So this is security point of view. So security is very important and you have to mortgage some assets in borrowed fund. Next is the regular payment of interest. My dear student, this is a very important thing and this is a legal liability of a business. If you are taking the loan from bank or from financial institution, then definitely on the regular interval and regular time period you have to pay the interest, and after completing time period you have to pay the principal amount also, and this is a legal liability to pay the interest and to pay the principal amount. This is a legal liability that you have to pay. So this is the main features of borrowed fund: regular payment of interest. If you are generating profit and if you are generating loss, doesn't matter आप profit कमा रहे हैं आप loss कमा रहे हैं, on the regular basis you have to pay the interest, my dear student. So this is the main features of the borrowed fund. Next is the control. My dear student, अगर हम कंट्रोल की बात करते हैं तो कंट्रोल borrowed fund में नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज ऑनर फंड में अगर ऑनर ने पैसा लगाया तो पूरी की पूरा कंट्रोल किसके पास, ऑनर के पास है. बट इन द borrowed फंड, ठीक है, एट प्रेजेंट वी आर टेकिंग लोन फ्रॉम बैंक, बट उधार पैसा लिया है, आफ्टर सम टाइम वी विल पे बैक, बट कंट्रोल किसी के हाथ में रहेगा, कंट्रोल हमारा ही है बिकॉज वी आर द ऑनर. नेक्स्ट इज अ सोर्स ऑफ borrowed फंड. Sources of borrowed fund. There are the many sources of borrowed fund. Number one sources of borrowed fund we can check here. Number one is a debentures. My dear student, in the next lecture we will discuss the debenture. But debenture is a borrowed fund. Next is we will see loan from commercial bank. तो लोन हम कहीं से भी ले सकते हैं, बैंक से ले सकते हैं, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन से ले सकते हैं. ये भी हमारे लिए हमारे उधार पैसा है. लोन फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन, लोन we can check here, loan from financial institution. This is public deposit. So these are the many features. At present you don't know about the public deposit, but in the next assignment, because in full chapter these are the very important terms, and in the next assignment एक एक करके हमें सब चीज़ें सीखनी है, my dear student. So my dear student, these are the many sources of borrowed fund, but this is a Basically, this is one example of borrowed fund. If you are taking loan from bank or from financial institution, so definitely you are borrowing. So this is a borrowed fund. But there are many sources of borrowed fund like debentures, like public deposit. But what is the meaning of debenture? What is the meaning of public deposit? In the next lectures, we will discuss about it in detail, my dear student. So I hope you understood this concept. So thank you very much and God bless you, my dear student.